Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive into the world of sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish that consists of cooked vinegared rice combined with other ingredients, such as seafood, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits. It is typically served in small bite-sized pieces, and is often consumed with pickled ginger, wasabi, and soy sauce. There are many different types of sushi, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients. Some popular varieties include nigiri sushi, which consists of a small ball of rice topped with a slice of raw fish or seafood; maki sushi, which is made by rolling vinegared rice and other ingredients in seaweed and slicing it into small rounds; and tamaki sushi, which is made by hand-rolling the ingredients in a cone-shaped piece of seaweed. But sushi is not just about the ingredients, it is also about the presentation. Sushi chefs, known as atami, undergo years of training to perfect the art of creating visually stunning and delicious sushi dishes. They pay careful attention to the color, texture, and balance of flavors in each bite. Now, let's talk about the history of sushi. The origins of sushi can be traced back to ancient Japan, where it was originally a method of preserving fish by fermenting it in rice. It wasn't until the 18th century that sushi took on its modern form, with the introduction of fresh ingredients and the use of vinegar to cure the rice. So, the next time you enjoy a delicious piece of sushi, take a moment to appreciate the history and tradition that goes into each bite. And remember, it's always important to use your chopsticks properly, otherwise you might end up with a sushi sticky situation, pun intended. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about sushi today. And I'll see you later.